Do you want to remove the background from your photos in seconds and without downloading anything? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using pixelcut.ai. Let's dive into it. Open your browser of whatever device you're using and open a new tab. Search for pixelcut.ai and click on it. Once it opens up, it's going to be like this. For you to have the full access to all the amazing features of pixelcut.ai, just go ahead and sign up. So you are going to click on these three dots here and click on sign up. Just go ahead and choose whichever method you want to sign up with. For me, I'm going to sign up with Google and choose the email with which I want to sign up. And here I have successfully signed up to Pixelcut. So this is a new workspace. So in order for me to remove my background, I'm just going to drop my image here by selecting it from my photo library. My image has been uploaded successfully. So to remove the background, I'm just going to tap here on this drop down that says select to, and I'm going to select background. So we can see that the background of the image has now been removed. You can either just go ahead and download this image if you want a transparent background, or you can customize it if you want a new background. So down here, you're going to see an option, background. You can choose different colors in order to make your new background, or you can go to image background, and here you're going to have tons of options in order to choose for your new background. So as you can see, we just apply this wooden image as our background. Here we also have the option to blur your background to the radius which you want it. So you just need to drag this to the point where you want it to be blurred. Still here, you can tap on the drop down icon and click on upscale. Here you can upscale your image to like ×2. You just need to click on 2 times and your image is going to be upscaled. Also here we have an option to retouch. You can brush off to edit to remove something we don't want on the image. You can also adjust the brush size. For example, let's brush out this phone. Reduce our brush size right down to this so that we can easily brush out this phone and click on erase. So we can see that the phone has been removed from the image. So there are tons of options which you can play around with in order to edit your picture. Here we have the expand option where you can choose a different ratio for your image. So when you're done playing around with your image, you can just go ahead and click on the download button up here and your image is going to be downloaded.